I'm here with Ray Mejia, and he's come in today to try out the Vintage Speed 12-inch quick shift. We have Ray's car on the cover here of October Hobby W's 2019. 400 horsepower beast on the street, 51. It's an incredible car. It really looks nice, but I want to hear Ray's impression of how the shifter is going to work. So today, we're not only going to do an interview with Ray about what brought him here, but we're also going to do an interview and an install on his car and take a ride. So Ray, what brought you here to talk about this Vintage Speed shifter and get one put into your car?
Well, like I said, I've got a vintage car, so I needed the right shifter for the car. To me, this one just fits the best for the car. It's a 12-inch quick shift. Everything about it works perfect. To me, the way you handle, you have your hand on the shifter all the time, it sits in your palm perfectly, and it just shifts smooth.
Right on.
And it fits the style of the car that I have. You want a vintage and you want a quick shift hot rod where you can pull the power to the car.
I couldn't have said it any better. I mean, if you put a shifter in there that was more for the racetrack, it would kind of be a little out of place, even though you have a fast motor and a really nice car. I mean, heck, if you put slicks on that, it becomes a race car almost instantaneously, minus some of the safety equipment. But nonetheless, it's probably fun to drive, right?
Oh, it's a blast to drive.
You get a lot of looks when you're going down the road?
Well, just coming over here, everybody's looking at the cars like, oh, shit, a split window down the freeway. You don't see that very often, but I drive my cars. I'm not, I don't trailer my cars.
No trailer queens, huh?
No, if it's local, we're driving. And if it's going to be long hours, then we're going to go trailer at that point.
When you're towing to a venue, then you drive it in. I get that, But for now, today, we're going to do an install on this product, and we're going to take a driving impression with Ray in his car, and I hope we get to feel all 400 of those horsepower. Just like I promised, out here in the shop with Rockin' Ray, he's going to do us the pleasure of doing the install. Take it away, Ray.
All right, here at Ron Lummus' shop, like I said, we're going to change a shifter here. We're going to just basically show how simple it is. Pull the old shifter off. Usually 13 millimeter. Get some grease, a grease ball inside the cup. What's nice about this, the shifter plate can only go in one direction, so for me, since I don't pull shifters off all the time, I can't remember which way it's going to go, so this one already guides it. It's perfect fit. And just like that, and let's start putting this one back on. Just drop the shifter all on. Up. I like centering it, usually getting the gaps out of the shifter. Tighten it up, take it for a quick drive to make sure all the gears go in. Oops. There you go. Less than 5 minutes probably, less than 10 minutes.
5 minutes and 20 seconds.
Just going through the gears, make sure they all go in. Here's reverse. Reverse is real simple. Lift the trigger up here, pull back, you're in reverse. Pull back out, back into first. Here we go. First gear. Quick shift into second. Third gear. And fourth gear. We got a real nice short shift on here.
This shifter is a real high quality shifter. You can get it in black, ivory, or chrome. This is the chrome model. It has a real nice reverse lockout. You don't have to worry about a big handle in your hand when you're driving your car, especially on early cars. There's not a lot of space in between the seats, so you can make sure also the dash, it doesn't go too close to the dash, so you see the curve. So it's actually a pretty quality part. Everything you need is in the box. It's packed really well. Available from RLR.